Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little video around the VS1 Chat App. It's a built-in system within VS1 and it's ideal for a way of communicating across the company. It sends messages to different people. You can type in here and send messages. You can send attachments, videos, anything you like. You can send it throughout the company and their staff can respond and reply to it. You can ask them to create a task or set up an option or all those sorts of things. So the beauty of the messaging chat app is you can send messages out to all the staff. It's also tied into your mobile app. So the guys on their phones, if you're sending a message, it'll also appear on their phone and they'll get a little red dot up the top and show you that there's an option for you, there's sales, there's all sorts of things to follow up on and action. So think of the chat app like a way of communicating with everybody within the company. You can create groups and all sorts of things inside of that. Now, what's also brilliant about that, and let me just jump back to the desktop. Whenever I do any sort of adjustment or transaction or anything along those lines, I'm just going to drill into an invoice here. If I make a change or send some picking instructions out, any of those sorts of things, if I make some notes, whatever it may be, when I save this transaction, it's now going to pop up with all the messaging options I can send from here. So if I want to email the customer, SMS the customer, I can choose all these options. Part of that is your chat app. And again, I can type in different comments, different options here like this, or I can select and make my own messages, and that will load automatically as well. So just simply confirming. That's now immediately gone over to my chat app and it's appeared in the chat window like so. Okay. Also, as a big part of that, particularly around when you're doing manufacturing and those sorts of areas, if I'm looking in the manufacturing side for this is servicing, repairs, all these sorts of things, when I look at the employee group options, this one, if I'm assigning staff or assigning jobs to different people, if I want to assign a job here to Mitchell, I can pick whatever the job may be. He didn't have the skill for the job, but we're going to add it very quickly. He's now got a message again prompting him about all that sort of thing. I'm just going to ignore that and I'm going to send it to Mitchell on his app. When I hit confirm, he's now got that message on his app. It's popped up like the little red dots you see over here. It's popped up on his system. It tells him straight away that in this case this was the invoice we touched earlier, but Mitchell will also have an option for him. It'll pop up and say the painting job has been assigned to you for work order da-da-da. Now on the mobile, Mitchell gets it on there as well, and again it'll pop up for him to see. Job has been allocated. Brilliant. So there's your chat app. Works brilliantly. It's a great way to communicate around the company, and again remember you can create groups. Awesome tool.